Welcome back. Enjoy lake life all year long with this easy to maintain 2 bedroom, 1 bath, 4 season waterfront cabin. Amenities are included with private boat ramp, your own boat slip, a large grassy common area with clubhouse. Enjoy your property. Currently being used as a short-term rental in summer and monthly rental in winter, making it a great investment opportunity. Furnishings are included with the sale. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.